So guys, ngayon ang karawan ng aking anak. Happy 15th birthday, Cassandra Darin. Ito ang aming munting handa. Sangyup at the house, you. Check it out. Ayan si Cass. Ayan. Ayan, luluto na aking misis. Ayan, si Mika, si Mama, tsaka si Andre. Yay! Oh. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Love you. Anong wish mo sa birthday mo, Cass?
Maho daw ako. Super healthy.
And?
Mataas ang grade.
Yun.
Naging first honor.
Ayan. Thank you. Love you, anak. Ayan. Bye-bye. Kain na tayo. Happy birthday ulit, Cassandra. Ayan guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.